Getting lists of indices from pandas data frame. I'm trying to get a list of indices out of a pandas data frame. First, do an import. Construct a pandas data frame. Output. I would like to have the indices on the left of the data frame when the coverage is set to true, but I would like to have this for every name separately. Preferably do this without an explicit for loop. Desired output is something like this. Attempted solution. I thought I should use groupie and then access the coverage column. From there I don't know how to proceed. All help is appreciated.
You want to get the index out for each group. This is stored in the groups attribute of a groupie data frame. Will return, from which you can access the individuals as you would a regular dictionary. Returns, which you can treat like a regular list.
This is doable, using Boolean indexing first followed by the groupie. You may use def groupie not to get your output as a column of lists.
This should work. Output.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.